Route 32 winding slow, sun's low and casting a golden glow on a blanket of the purest white, making the whole world feel so bright. Oh, these Pennsylvania mountain roads, shaking off all